All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on and get our app. Now, if you're not familiar with the app, you're gonna have to download it from the Apple Store or the Google Store. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go download the app from the Google Store. So if you guys can see it, there's the app. I have to enable it because I already have it. So we're gonna open it. This is the app that you're gonna require to install the stuff. So let's go and set it up. So now it's asking for a code. We have a barcode. We put our camera in here.